Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Talk. This is me, Meera, your trainer for the day. Today what I've got for you is slang words we usually end up using for our friends and family. And well, if you are not one of those who are able to use slang, I can assure you that these are not offensive words. People are not going to get hurt with it. Only for those whom you love or you like, especially your friends and family, you should use for them and not for your professional life at all, no matter what kind of friends you've become. Okay, I'm quickly going to jump into the session for the day, and we are going to start with the word or the slang word squad. Now, squad usually is a girl's squad, okay, specifically. Okay, now these are a group of or a bunch of girls who usually hang out together, party together, and they're the ones who have each other's back, who trust each other, and they're able to do so many things together, probably go on trips together, and then end up solving each other's boyfriend problems as well or family problems as well. So they call themselves a squad, and they have a tight friendship with one another. Okay, now that's a girl's squad, a group. Okay, moving from here, we have a very hip hop terminology called homeboy. Now this actually represents someone whom you can really trust and have faith in, you know, and someone you probably end up calling at the end of the day saying, hey, could you please do this for me? Could you do this favor for me? Or, you know what, I'm really hungry, I feel like having this, why don't you get it for me? And he will do it for you. And homeboy represents exactly someone who's from the family, of the family, but still a friend. Okay? Moving on to bruv, another very short and slang word for brother. Of course, from another mother here, or probably you're calling your own brother just bruv, you know, hey bruv. I'm sure you must have seen this in so many English TV series. If I'm not wrong, they commonly use the word bruv to call a friend out, a guy friend out. Usually a guy uses it for a guy. Okay, chica. Now, a very nice way of calling your friend chica is a girlfriend. But let me tell you what, only a girl can call her friend, who's a girl, chica. Hey chica. Okay, so chica is usually a girlfriend, a girl calling her friend chica. Hey chica, let's go for a party. Hey chica, what are you doing today for lunch? Let's go out. Do you want to go for a movie? Chica, that's how you can use it. Now possum. Okay, I really like this. I've heard a lot of Australians using this cute little word possum. Now possums are animals who are really naughty and really fast as well. Okay, so if you have a friend who's really naughty and who's very mischievous, you can call him Possum with a lot of affection and love. Okay, so naughty friend who's very mischievous can get a cute tagline of being a possum. Hey possum, come here. I knew it was you who did this, you little possum. Okay, but it's again with a lot of love. Moving on from there, we have something called as relis. Now this terminology, like I said, I was talking about friends and family. Relis, as you can say, is for relatives in general, okay? Probably when you are going out for a dinner or you have a family get together, you can tell your friend who's asking you out that, hey, do you want to go out for dinner tonight? Do you want to go party tonight or for a movie? You can tell them that, oh, sorry, I cannot make it today. I have to go meet the relis. See, you're trying to say that you want to go and meet your relatives. Okay? Moving from there, we have rents, which is actually a short form of parents. Of course, it comes from a very, very obvious spelling right there. This term is specifically widely used in New Zealand and Australia, so calling the parents rents. Okay, so I'm going to my rents today, or this Sunday, no plans for me, guys. I'm going to go visit my rents. Now, this is obviously another terminology for folks, which we use quite often more than parents. We end up saying folks, but now you can say rents as well. Okay? Well, next up we have fam. Another term for family. You know what? You probably have a family group on WhatsApp, and you have a get-together coming up really soon. So you can probably prepare a message and text saying, fam jam tonight. That means all of you are going to meet and have a lot of fun, right? So that is how you can meet fam. I'm going to go meet my fam today. I cannot wait to go meet my fam. Or we're going to travel together, me and my fam. That's how you can use it, okay? Now, coming to the second last one, which is homies, another very hip-hop way of calling your friends and family homies. Of course, we have heard people usually calling their friends homies, but let me tell you what, if you have a family as chilled out as mine, you can call them homies as well, and they would not mind it, okay? So again, homies are the ones who probably are friends, but who are so close to you, as good as family, okay? And on the other hand, like I said, you can call your family homies. They could just be the coolest people, and they could be the family just as good as friends, okay? And the last one here is dope. A friend of yours, again, it has to be a good friend, otherwise people really get hurt or get offended. So here in this case, a friend who's really awesome and really cool, you can call him dope, okay? Cool or awesome friend. Right, and that could be a dope friend, okay? Remember what I said. Do not say these words to strangers or acquaintances or in your professional world. It's a big no-no. It's only for the people you love and care about. Well, that's about it for today, guys. I will be coming very soon, right here, with new and interesting lessons. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling. This is me, Meera, signing off for the day, guys. Bye.